how to delete WeChat account temporarily permanently. As you want to take over that selection, the main point it is simply to go on your settings side on your account. As you get right there, you can find out all these selections. Go for account security, the first side selection, and as you get right there and scroll down, you can find out WeChat security center. Just go type on that selection. It will take up to the main page side selection. Yeah, firstly just go right there, and it will take some time, as you know, to get to the full segment of that account cancellation and all that stuff. And as you can see here, you have all these selections from which you can choose whatever it is important for you. As you scroll right down, you're gonna find out account cancellation. Just type right down on the last selection, and as you get right there, it will take another take up to get to that timeline selection. And as you get right there, simply scroll down and go for request cancellation. Right after you get submit all that informations and all that stuff, why you want to simply get, temporary and permanently delete the WeChat account, it will get the request will be processed, and it will take up within 60 days. And you need to simply not log in into WeChat account again in order to ensure successful cancellation and all that stuff. This is the main rule from the supporting team of WeChat.